In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can shut down the Amazfit Pop 3R. Begin by accessing the settings menu, and we have two ways we can do this. The first is by swiping down for quick settings, then tapping on the settings icon here. And the second is by opening the apps menu, then scrolling and selecting the settings icon. Once selected, you can scroll through all these options until you get to shutdown, then tap on it and confirm that you wish to turn off your device. So now your fitness band has been shut down or turned off successfully. To turn it back on, simply press on the start button on the side of the watch, then until you see the logo appearing, then you can let go. And that tone should sound, meaning that you've successfully turned on the watch. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.